My name is Renit Falevich. I'm a licensed skincare professional here in Beverly Hills, California. And today I'm going to show you how to use facial cupping. Okay, I've been receiving so many messages and emails, and clients at my skincare studio here in Beverly Hills are asking me how to use the facial cups. So you do not do facial cupping without applying oil to the skin, facial oil, so the glass cap will glide on. Okay, you don't want to drag your skin or pull your skin. And second thing, as you work and you go and you massage the skin with that glass, never stay in one place, because then you can create bruising to your skin, unnecessary bruising. Just keep going and going and going and going. Okay, so this is the two things that you need to do. Apply a facial oil, any facial oil that you may like. I personally like Arilan Skincare. It's a non-toxic and it's a blend of different fine oils that helps to hydrate the skin, and it's also suitable for oily skin and acne prone skin, so the skin doesn't break out when you use that, and it also hydrates the skin. So I like to use this type of oil, or as I said, you can use any oil that you like at home. Make sure you use oil though when you use those glass cups. Okay, so I'm gonna and I just massage it evenly all over, making sure that my skin is still oily. Okay, full of oil, facial oil. And now I'm gonna pick up the cup, the facial cup, and I'm gonna start from here all the way to the upper ear, and go slow. Take your time, relax your shoulder when you do that. Don't do this, just relax your shoulder and enjoy. Up, up, up. Make sure you cover all the area. Don't leave any area untreated. And this is where I have the expression lines that I'm trying to work on. So up and down. And in between my eyebrows, up, up, and little circle, up. And here, up. Up to the temple, all the way here, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and here, this way, and here, this way, here, up and down, and in between the eyebrows, up, and then forehead, just half rainbows, just like that. Okay, and again I'm gonna do the other side, and you can repeat it as many times as you wish. I usually do like 2 to 3 sets. Here I'm gonna start from the upper face, and I'm gonna go down. Skin turns red, a little rosy, and that's okay. That's normal. You bring more blood flow to your skin. And then from the chin all the way to the upper ear. Don't forget your chin. And here. Circle. And the expression line here. And under the chin. Up, up, and up. And one more thing, to create lymphatic drainage, we want to drain everything behind the ear down to the neck. So we're going from here. This is the area that we're going down. We just sliding the glide downward. This way. Not here, just the sides and the other side. And well, I'm not wearing the proper top for this, but if you want to do the chest, which is I recommend to do, just from the middle of the chest, just go outward this way. And the other side, this way. It's gonna turn red, but it's good. It's fascia manipulation and lymphatic drainage. And then when you do the drainage from here, sorry, I just dropped it. When you do the drainage, when you work on it from here down, you can go with a circle out. Just like this, over the chest and out under the armpits to your lymph nodes. All right? So one more thing. The lips. If you want to plump your lips, just pump, just I didn't do it long enough to pump my lips, but just showing you how you can do that. And you can do another set of, and then you repeat it 1 or 2 more times, as you wish. And now the Gua Sha is different. It's not involve any suction. I like to use the facial cups first and then the Gua Sha, okay? So this one to stimulate the skin and bring more blood flow to the skin. And this is to create more lymphatic drainage and drain everything, all the toxins from your skin to the lymph node. So I'm gonna show you how to use the Gua Sha as well, okay? taking this part here and just here, and always just wiggle it here a little bit. You can also use it like this way. Upwards to the upper ear, always. Never end it. Don't draw your skin this way, okay? Always up. And same here, up. Up. It's like you're ironing your skin. Just think about ironing, flattening your skin. And from here, up, up. From the base of the neck, up. And of course, I love treating the back of my neck. You can take this part of the Gua Sha with those half circles and just look for knots in your neck. It feels so good. I'll go backwards so you can see. And of course the other side as well. And same thing with the Gua Sha. You can go from here to do the chest. You just drag it from here, the back of the neck, this way, all the way down and outwards. Okay, I'm not wearing the proper top for this, so I can demonstrate on my skin. But this is the directions that you use. The back of the neck, down with the light pressure, and then outwards. And the same with the other side, okay? And out, out, out. Directed to under the armpit, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment below, leave a comment below. I'm going to leave the I'm going to leave the link for the facial oil if you like to purchase that, so you'll know where to find it, and also for the facial cups and for the Gua Sha. Okay, I'm gonna leave few links below so you can just explore them, find them on Amazon, wherever you like. Just be sure to use facial oil and use the same movement as I show you here. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe, and